We actually make 4 different models of the sink setter. We make the PW99, which we call the old style. We make the PW99P with the plate. We also make the 104P, which has plates screw on the end of the cabinet. And we make the 114P offset bracket, which has plates. For the PW99, you need a chisel and a hammer because you need to notch the cabinet to get the ears of the bracket to be flush with the top of the cabinet. These I've already done, but I'm just telling you they have to be notched both sides. After you notch your cabinet, you take the PW99, assemble it together. It comes with 2 7/16 bolts. You just need to extend it out till it's full extension. Put the 7/16 bolts in. I use a 7/16 nut driver. Tighten them down secure. After I've got the bracket to the right width, I install the leveling bolts. I put the bracket back in. I install the 4 screws in. That secures the bracket. Then I put the leveling caps on. It's now ready to install the sink. After you have it installed, take your 7/16 nut driver, adjust up the leveling bolts till it's flush with the top, ready to put your countertop on. We also make the PW99P. I've pre-drilled the holes here. It gets plates. There's 4 plates that screw on the front and back of the cabinet. You have a plate on the rear, plate on the front. Once you have the plates installed, assemble the bracket. Just use a 7/16 nut driver, bolt it together to the right length, slides in like that. Put your leveling bolts in, adjust it to where you need it. Take your leveling caps, put them on. Both sides are the same. Install your sink. Then take your 7/16 nut driver, adjust up your leveling bolts to your sink as level with your cabinet top, install your countertop. You're ready to go. On the PW114s and 104, they use an end plate that goes on the side wall of the cabinets. I pre-drilled the holes already to make it faster to show you how this installs. Takes 5 screws. Number 2 Phillips. Once you have both plates installed on the ends of the cabinets, you assemble the bracket using 2 7/16 bolts which bolt into the bracket to allow you to adjust it to length. I've already pre-adjusted these for the length of the cabinet. Then you put your leveling screws in, put both your brackets in, put your leveling caps on. This bracket will hang cast iron, double bowl stainless, composite sinks. You install your sink. Once you get it installed, take your 7/16 nut driver, go around the bottom, level up your leveling bolts to your level with the top of your cabinet, and you're now ready to install your countertop. If you ever have to replace it, lower the leveling bolts, take the brackets back out, drop the sink out, and you can replace the sink. On the PW114Ps, you use the same plate application at both ends. You use 1 straight bar, and then the offset bar for the offset stainless 60/40 stainless sinks. I've already pre-assembled it, put my leveling bolts in, put my caps on. The offset piece allows for your faucet to drill. This piece can be flipped so you can have a big sink on either side just by undoing the bolts, flipping the piece and doing it. Once you have your bracket in, you're ready to install your sink. Adjust your bracket. Once you have it in, take your 7/16 nut driver. Again, level it back up to the top of the cabinet. Put your caulk on, put your countertop on, and you're ready. If you ever have to replace the sink, lower the leveling bolts, take the brackets out, lower your sink, put a new one in.